Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Lanisera Nabila. I'm from class 2C. Here I want to tell you about manner of articulation and then place of articulation. What is manner of articulation? The manner of articulation is the way the air stream is affected as it flows from the lungs and out of the mouth and nose. Jadi maksudnya itu adalah manner of articulation itu cara kita mengartikulasikannya. Dan macam-macam manner of articulation. First, stop or plosives. Stop or plosive produced by completely stopping the air passage and then releasing it. For example, like pah for pill and beh for bed. The second, fricatives. Fricative sound are produced by partly blocking the air and allowing it partly to escape through slit or groove with accompanying friction, which sometimes audible. Jadi, fricative itu menghalangi sebagian udara dan membiarkannya keluar sebagian gitu. For example, konsonan f as in fan. And then the third, affricates. Affricate is like a combination between a combination of stop and then fricative, yaitu sound gabungan dari stop dan affricative. For example, for affricate, chah for church and jah for judge. Fourth, nasal. Nasal sounds are produced by releasing the air through the nose. Jadi, nasal itu dihasilkan dengan melepas udara melalui hidung. For example, konsonan meh as in man, and then nah as in name. The fifth, flap or trill. Kalau flap or trill itu when the tip of an active speech organ that is the tongue or the uvula. Jadi ketika ujung alat bicara itu aktif, yaitu lidah atau uvula. For example, contohnya itu bunyi rah as in run. And then there are lateral consonant is produced when the air escapes from one or both sides of an articulator. For example, jadi dihasilkan ketika udara keluar dari suatu atau kedua sisi artikulator atau lidah. For example, leh itu as in long, and then frictionless continuant itu beberapa konsonan diproduksi tanpa menghalangi udara sepenuhnya atau sebagian. Contohnya, for example, wah itu as in wine, and then yah as in yes. And then for the next, I want to tell you about what is place of articulation. Place of articulation is the point of contact where an obstruction occurs in the vocal tract between an active articulator, typically some part of the tongue, and a passive location, typically some part of the roof of the mouth. Jadi place of articulation itu titik kontak di mana obstruksi terjadi di saluran vokal artikulator aktif. Nah, artikulator aktif ini biasanya berada di bagian lidah, dan lokasi pasifnya itu biasanya beberapa di bagian atap mulut. Dan adapun jenis-jenis place of articulation itu ada 8. Yang pertama, bilabial. Bilabial at the lips. When you block or constrict airflow out of the mouth by bringing your dry lips together. For example, pah, pah, as in purse, or rap, and then bah, as in back, and then mah, as in calm, and then wah, as in wet. For second, labiodental, lips and teeth together. When you block or constrict airflow by curling your lower lip back and raising it to touch your upper row of jagged teeth. For example, f, as in fro and calf. Then the third, dental. Dental itu ada di interdental. When you block or constrict airflow by placing your slimy tongue against your upper teeth. For example, teh itu untuk thick, and then de untuk de. Teh as in tap, de as in deep. And then next, alveolar. The alveolar ridge is where your jagged teeth meet your gums. For example, n as in no, s as in sweet, z as in zit, lah as in luck, as in run. And then next, post-alveolar. Post-alveolar, when you retract your tongue back just a bit from the alveolar ridge. For example, before occur when the tongue blocks or constrict airflow at the point just beyond the alveolar ridge. For example, ch as in match, j as in beige. And then next, there is palatal. Palatal, the roof of your mouth is known as the hard palate. Palatal consonants are created here when you raise the tongue to hard palate so as to block or constrict airflow. Now, for example, yeah, as in yes. Now, velar, behind your hard palate. When you raise the back of your tongue to the velum so as to block or restrict airflow. For example, kah as in back, gah as in good. And then glottal. The glottis is made up of two vocal folds. For example, ha as in high. Maybe that's my explanation about manner of articulation and then place of articulation. Hope you like it and enjoy it. And then I hope you understand about my explanation. Goodbye. Thank you. Assalamualaikum